Welcome back to Instable. So again, as we have a bounce here off of our 21 day that we were looking for the last couple days, now just testing our 8-day here on the lower end of our 8-day. What exactly should we expect here as Powell speaks tomorrow just at market open? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, those major volatile movers you want to be watching, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we're looking for going into tomorrow. Again, a very nice bounce that we had here off of our 21 day back to our 8-day, looking to see if we will possibly jump back above our 8-day, look for any proof of concept above our 8-day. Would be that possible continuation above our prior high and our prior sell-off point that we were looking for from our prior gap downs again that we did gap into. So again, we had our gap up, we did have our rejection. Now we're looking for proof of concept, and now bouncing off of our 21 day going into tomorrow with Powell speaking, we will very much be testing a very key resistance that we had a rejection from. Again, we spiked back above our 8-day. We had that rejection here. We had that continuation on lower from this rejection. So going into tomorrow, we have our 436 level that we will be looking to see if we can hold if Powell is dovish. But if we do not hold, then we will have that possible rejection and possible consolidation for that possible even bounce back off of our 21 day if we happen to have a pullback again going into Powell tomorrow. So again, that's what we're looking for. If we do have any bearish case scenario, that larger move will be with our 8 dropping below our 21 and having that bearish confirmation below our 8-day. That is going to be that larger reaction move dropping below our 0.618 fib, below our 430 level that we just had our bounce from. That would be that larger bearish case scenario. But going into tomorrow, the big watch going into tomorrow will be if we can hold and close a candle with a possible continuation on that candle, not a false break to the upside that we would be looking for as a possible rejection on a downtrend. So again, that could be that possible false break to the upside. We want to see that digestion and that continuation for that possible retest on our 444 level. That's what we're looking for from here. If Powell is dovish, again, Powell recently did speak about a week ago. He mentioned one thing in particular. I mentioned this yesterday, but also mentioning again today that the one thing he did mention that really made us bounce back the day he mentioned we're going to have increases in rates going into the end of the year was that we had moderate increase in rates to come, which would be, again, not as bad as we would possibly expect, which would be that possible dovish case scenario for bulls to look at. So again, that's what we're looking for. If Powell happens to mention increases in rates that he mentioned recently, then will he mention that moderate word in increases in rates? That is the question. That's going to be a very key word if he happens to mention increases in rates. But going into tomorrow, we very much are not expecting a very hawkish Powell. He very much could come into this conference that really he doesn't mention many hawkish things at. He could possibly come in dovish, in my opinion. We'll see if he can get us back above our 8-day, and if we can digest back above our 444 level. That is what we're watching out for from here. Again, our 8-day moving averages, everything here. This is going to show us if we have a possibility on this continuation, and that confirmation will come on our MACD with our 12 crossing back above our 26, in my opinion, for that continuation on that swing momentum. So again, that's what we're looking for from here. Watching our MACD on our daily chart and jumping into our weekly chart, looking at our weekly perspective again after our rejection from our prior gap down that we had here. Now looking to see if we can retest, possibly get that continuation on respecting our 10-week moving average. From here is what we're going to be looking for. If we cannot, then we will possibly have that pullback and that possible bounce back scenario that we would be looking for. That's what we're looking for from here, guys. Again, looking for bullish candle structure off of our 8-week moving average here will be extremely key. Now looking at our monthly chart again, looking at our long perspective, overall, this candle has not closed. We very much did test, again, prior resistance that we looked on our weekly chart from. So again, we had this pullback, but our question is, will we possibly gap into the upper end of our prior gap down that we had? Do we have room to run to the upside to overextend higher? That is a lot of bullish case scenario questions. And in my opinion, again, with room still possibly to the upside from our prior gap down, we could still possibly overextend higher. So that's why we're looking out for that possible bullish case scenario. But if we have a pullback, again, that long perspective will be continuing to respect our 10 monthly moving average, as we are just still curling here, not back above our 21 monthly moving average. So again, we cannot have any major continuation above highs of year until we do get this bullish case scenario. So again, that's what we're looking for. We need our 10 back above our 21 monthly moving average. And with that said, we have a possibility of a pullback at some point. But again, going into Powell tomorrow, we'll see if we do get any possible pullback or if we do continue on back above our 8-day moving average as we test here for any possible bullish case scenario. That's what we're looking for from here. A very nice bounce that we had exactly on our 0.618 fib, guys. A very nice call out that we mentioned for the last couple of days. So we were looking for exactly this scenario, and we will continue to stay patient as we lead into Powell tomorrow. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, those major volatile movers you want to be watching, major data sets. Again, for example, we had Fed Brainerd commenting midday today. If you guys did not see that, then you may have not known that the market was very likely to continue on higher from overextended since we had such a bullish comment from Fed Brainerd. This is one of many comments throughout the day. Any major levels on very volatile movers we also mentioned in the Instabulls room. Again, go to instabulls.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout like today again. And again, all of you Instabulls, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel every single day. We will continue to go at it, stay patient leading into Powell. A very nice continuation higher here from our 21-day moving average. If you happen to play it, a very nice run today. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.